Russian scientist Dr. Victoria Popova
and Dr. Lydia Andrianova.
We have many scientific publications and patents.
On the base of two codes, analog and digital, received through channeling, we decoded many hundreds of extraterrestrial civilization pictograms scattered all over the world and composed the dictionary of extraterrestrial civilization symbol of consciousness for over 250 symbols. Extraterrestrial civilization warned about soon beginning of global cataclysm as a result of magnetic field decreasing. Extraterrestrial civilization also informed that before global cataclysm, three preliminary cataclysms of incredible power, separated by short interval, will happen. The only one way to prolong our life is the transition on the highest level of the material world through the united consciousness of all civilizations.
As it is known, the magnetic field of Earth remains a dipole. Extraterrestrial civilization inform that our planet Earth developed on the basis of a hysteresis loop. Extraterrestrial civilization confirm that our planet already completed the cycle of magnetization, passed the peak, and now is on the demagnetization branch of hysteresis loop. Reducing of planet's magnetic field observed by scientists also indicates that the Earth's magnetic field causes danger for our life. The major symbols of danger in the extraterrestrial civilization messages warnings are symbols of magnetic field, hysteresis loop, and its peak. In 2000, extraterrestrial civilization introduced a special symbol for magnetic field. These are dark and light quadrangles in shellpot order, rhombus, squares, rectangles. Being extending and forming sharp peaks, they signal about extra danger. In this symbolic, quadrangles represent the fourth level of human being consciousness.
Extraterrestrial civilization inform that the ozone layer depletion is a result of the Earth's magnetic field decreasing. This information revealed in the unprecedented size of ozone holes over Antarctic.
The record sizes of ozone hole of 2000, with area of 29.2 million square kilometers, confirmed extraterrestrial civilization warning of dangerous condition of Earth's magnetic field. Since 2000, the magnetic field symbolic appears only at its critical changes. 1.5 or 2 months prior to ozone hole declosing. This process happens almost annually. Let's see annual ATC report of magnetic field condition revealing in the state of ozone holes.
Sometimes 2 or even 3 crop circles with chessboard order symbolic of magnetic field appear depending on the weakening degree of Earth's magnetic field. In all crop circles, extraterrestrial civilization symbolics of magnetic field are combined with symbols of information cell corresponding to of mankind life. It shows depending of mankind life from condition of Earth's magnetic field.
The radical changes occurring in Earth's magnetic field dramatically reveals in nature and leads to loss of orientation and mass destruction of whales, dolphins, rushing on coast. The same reason causes destruction of huge flights of thousands of birds.
The reason of global cataclysm beginning explains the Barkhausen effect, which occur in ferromagnetic materials. It is known that Earth's core is ferromagnetic. According to the Barkhausen effect, at certain value of magnetic field, ferromagnetic material, spontaneous jumps of magnetization arise. Jumps occur suddenly, reaching value of field of start. In the beginning arise single jumps, then the number is growing. Jumps overlap on each other.
Start of Barkhausen jumps, the speed of their rise, depends on structure of ferromagnetic material. The Barkhausen effect is widely used for non-destructive control of ferromagnetic materials in many branches of industry, aviation, machinery, etc. On macro level of planet Earth, these jumps of magnetization correspond to natural catastrophes, accompany earthquakes, tsunami, flooding, and others.
Extraterrestrial civilization confirm that the creating of Earth's magnetic field has almost reached critical value, the field of start. That is why soon catastrophes will begin. Extraterrestrial civilization warn that global cataclysm will begin by 3 preliminary cataclysms incredible strength. We never see such phenomena of nature. Symbols of magnetic field are presented in ancient complex of Chan, so humanity is like fishes in the net of the Earth's magnetic field.
Ancient complex of Chan in Peru and crop circles inform that the first pre-cataclysm will occur in the Pacific Ocean from outside Peru in the area of the Brazilian magnetic anomaly. It will start up at the intersection on Humboldt current, which runs from south to north, and El Niño, which runs parallel to the equator. This information is transferred in Chan by symbol of fishes and waves currents.
This information also confirmed located near the ocean ancient complex Pachacamac. In each complex, extraterrestrial civilization shows the only one way for humanity salvation, the transition on the base of the united consciousness formation of all civilization. In complex Chan, the transition is shown by numerous different birds with analog and digital symbolics.
Extraterrestrial civilization warn that global cataclysm will be so strong that it will be impossible to hide somewhere in underground bunkers, which are popular today and are sold in many countries. Nobody will be saved in big ship submarines, as it is shown in movie 2012.
Extraterrestrial civilization inform that global cataclysm will never stop and will become only stronger. The purpose of global cataclysm is the destruction of our planet. Extraterrestrial civilization confirms that global cataclysm will transfer our Earth from the group of planets with present development of consciousness to the group of planets with past development of consciousness. In many millions of years, our flourished Earth will become a desert planet Mars, almost without atmosphere and water.
The present stage of planet Mars destruction is accompanied by terrible dust storms, the strongest in the solar system. Holy scriptures noted that mountains will be turned into heaps of sand.
Extraterrestrial civilization warn that individually nobody will be saved and the whole civilization of Earth will be destroyed by global cataclysms. In every message, extraterrestrial civilization warn that only through unification of consciousness we have to make the transition to the highest level of the material world and prolong our life on the safe level in this new cycle of correction. Our transition will not affect nobody's private property. More information is presented in our website www.ourtransition.info.